Okay, well, yesterday we drove it for a while, and sorry, I got distracted. This morning I'm going to tighten some things up and check some things, and I think I'll take it for another shakedown cruise, and we'll see what happens. So all the major pieces stayed on it, which is good. That's a plus. So we'll find out. Well, I just got back from a little bit of a ride down by the lake and back. What I wanted to show you, I got these old boards here. I want to make some running boards for the key, and not sure exactly how I'm going to do it yet, but I think these are good hard wood. I don't even know what this is from. I got this out of my mother's garage, and I'm pretty sure this was from a remodel job in my childhood home. So I've got two of them, and we'll have to come up with a design. And I'm kind of thinking maybe make them look a little like, now the slaps are on a sled, runner sled, runners on it. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, maybe a slat, like 3 for the running board, make them nice and light. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Well, I just wanted to take a little break here and thank you guys for watching the channel. Some of you watch it pretty religiously. I appreciate it. You know, things move pretty slow here. Not a lot of traffic. Things move pretty slow here, and not a lot gets done sometimes, some weeks. But I'm hoping that you know, things will pick up as the weather warms up. Train coming. Anyway, I just wanted to thank everybody. A lot of you are very committed. I appreciate it. So anyway, I suppose I better get something done. Guys are across the street digging their big holes still. All right, let's do something. Great idea of mine is going to work. I think that might work. This might take a while. The other day, my wife got in the car and she said, let's have a little experiment. Let's see how far you can go without calling somebody a jackass. I made it 4 blocks. Personal best. Look, I know what the problem is. It's staring me right in the face. I'm the best driver on the road and everybody else is an idiot. And if people would just realize that, I wouldn't have to spend all my time down there talking to that traffic court judge. Hey, Ed. Look, I'm the safest driver out there. I always go the speed limit till I get past that spot down there where the cops hang out, then I just nail it. I always use my turn signals, and if I don't, the moron behind me should have known I was going to turn. Just yesterday, pull up to a stoplight up here, look over in the car next to me, lady sitting there tapping on her phone. I just shook my head and went back to reading my newspaper. You basically got 2 different kinds of drivers. You got idiots and crazy fools. People holding me up by stopping for pedestrians and doing the speed limit. Those are idiots. Yep. People whizzing by me while I got my arm out the window trying to hold that mattress to the top of the car because I'm way too cheap to pay for delivery. Yeah, those are crazy fools. All right, one more thing, and then I'll just shut up about it. I've been driving since I was 12 years old. I learned everything I needed to know about driving out there in my uncle's cow pasture. I also learned that a cow can run pretty fast, not for very long. Okay, all right, this is what we got so far. Got that. We want to make this kind of a little pointy area, and we're going to make this kind of go back like that. And then we're going to cut this off. That way it's inside the wheel arch. So I think that's going to look all right. And get back here to where you can see. Now that exhaust makes it look crooked, but I have measured it twice. I haven't cut once, but I've measured twice. So should be all right. And that'll allow me to strap different things down on here. You know, can't have gas on this side, but you know, I could have oil or whatever, and there'll be one on the other side too. And it'll give it a good place here to step onto. But it's not going to be just a plain Jane flat board laying on there. That's something I didn't want. As with all things on here, I kind of wanted it to look like, you know, somebody'd taken at least 5 minutes out of their life to think about it. So, yeah. I think it'll work out. We'll see. Okay. We're going to make a pattern for the way to cut the ends of these and those ends there. Not sure exactly what I'm doing here, but you know what? That's never stopped me before. Alright, if you can hear me over the sound of construction here out there in the street, I've got these shaped pretty close to how I want them to look. And that's approximately where they go. And of course this will be cut off and reshaped on the end a little bit. Yeah, I think that's going to be all right. I think that'll work. All right, we got the basic form cut out on both sides. I don't have these ones laid out yet where they actually go. But that's kind of what we're looking at. Come back here. Yeah, seems to be all right. Whew! That did turn out to be some nice oak, I believe. I'm not up on my woods. I don't really know, but I do know what a hardwood feels like and what a soft one does, so I'm guessing that's oak. Just guessing. All right. I need to get some carriage bolts and nuts, drill holes, hold them on there, and put some stain on them, and then boil linseed oil them. But I think that's going to work out just fine. I've kind of gone back and forth on these running boards. That's why I waited till now to do them, because I just wasn't sure how I wanted that to work. I thought about not using them at all and just having what am I trying to say? Oh, the iron steps off of a buggy or something. But this thing is pretty short on space to haul things that you might need, like, you know, water, gas, oil, anything like that. And I also have a spare tire rig up here that we're going to put on the back. Anyways, let's see, I've trailed off there. What was I talking about? Oh yeah, there's not a lot of room to haul stuff, so I can strap a toolbox down probably on that side. I can strap a gallon can of gas, water, whatever on this side, you know, if I feel the need. Alright, well, I've rambled on long enough. I gotta go in the house and find something to eat because I'm hungry. But I made a lot of progress today, and I think that'll look just fine. If it doesn't, I'll take it apart, burn the wood, and start over.